Hybrid work has become the new normal, blending remote work with in-office collaboration. For businesses navigating this shift, Microsoft Teams has proven to be an essential tool for keeping everyone connected, productive, and engaged, no matter where they are. Teams isn't just a messaging or video app, it's a full collaboration platform that brings chat, meetings, file sharing, and app integrations into one workspace. This makes it easy for hybrid teams to communicate in real time, collaborate on projects, and stay aligned without the chaos of scattered emails or multiple apps. One of the biggest advantages of Microsoft Teams for hybrid work is its flexibility. Team members can join meetings from anywhere, whether they're at home, in the office, or on the go, using desktop, mobile, or even web versions. Teams meetings are equipped with features like screen sharing, live captions, and meeting recordings, so no one misses critical discussions. Channels and chat threads help teams organize conversations by project, department, or topic, keeping communication clear and accessible to everyone. Collaboration also extends to files and apps. With Teams, employees can co-author documents in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in real time, track tasks in Planner or Asana, and even integrate third-party apps like Trello, Zoom, or Salesforce. This reduces the need to switch between multiple tools, which is especially helpful for hybrid teams working across different locations and time zones. Automation through Power Automate can further streamline workflows, from sending reminders to updating project dashboards, keeping the team efficient without adding extra effort. Security is another critical factor for hybrid work, and Teams has it covered. With enterprise-grade encryption and compliance features, sensitive business data stays protected, whether accessed from the office network or a remote connection. Administrators can manage permissions, control access, and monitor activity to ensure that collaboration is safe and secure. For hybrid teams, Microsoft Teams isn't just a tool. It's the central hub that keeps everyone connected, organized, and productive. By leveraging its chat, meetings, file sharing, and app integrations, businesses can maintain continuity, foster collaboration, and make hybrid work truly seamless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on Microsoft Teams, productivity tools, and strategies for thriving in hybrid work environments.